Rusty with Dingo Power here. Wanted to bring out a video on the Tx1000 wide or narrow track radiator flanges cracking. Very common issue. Go over a few things here. One, you take out the bottom bolts of the pads and you just rotate them up out of your way. You don't have to take off the top and just move them off. You want to be careful on those because there's just plywood on the inside, and if you crank on them too hard, it'll rip out the plywood. Second, 4 bolts to remove the shield or the guard here. Take that off. And if you look, the radiator bolts tend to crack and waller out. We've came up with a reinforcement for those, and I will put them on and come right back to you. Now I've installed the rectangular washers and new bolts. Key things to remember when you're doing this is you may have to pry up on the radiator to make sure that the fan is centered into the fan shroud, both right and left and up and down. Once you get it centered, then snug the bolts down. You can reinstall the shield and you'll be all done. The kit will be available at dingopower.com. And if you need any other parts, please feel free to reach out to us at dingopower.com, or you can send a text or email. All the contact information is in the comments. Thank you.